Hello students, I am Dharmendra Kumar Tiwari, your economics teacher. Today I will teach you class 12 economics. Now we are going to start topic supply of money. Students, first of all we have to understand what is supply of money. Supply of money means total stock of money held by the people of a country at a point of time. It is a stock concept. It means supply of money in any country is stock of money held by the people. लोगों के पास कितना पैसा अवेलेबल है मार्केट में मूव करने के लिए, इसे क्या कहते हैं? सप्लाई ऑफ मनी कहते हैं. इट मीन्स टोटल मनी in the country which is available in the market for the movement, for the business activity, for the economic activity is known as supply of money. Now students, it does not include stock of money held by the government and stock of money held by the banking system of a country. Banking system of a country और गवर्नमेंट के पास जो मनी है, जो गवर्नमेंट का खुद का मनी है, जो बैंक का खुद का पैसा है, वो मार्केट में मूव नहीं कर रहा है, इसलिए वो सप्लाई ऑफ मनी में काउंट नहीं किया जाएगा. नाउ मेजर्स ऑफ मनी सप्लाई. स्टूडेंट्स, मेजर्स ऑफ मनी सप्लाई इन इंडिया देयर आर 4 अल्टरनेटिव मेजर्स ऑफ मनी सप्लाई नोन एज M1, M2, M3, M4. M1, M2, M3, here should be M3. There are 4 measurements of money supply. In some books there is written measurement and in some books there is written measure. Both are correct. मनी कितना मार्केट में मूव करा, इसको मेजर करने के लिए 4 टेक्निक हैं, इन विच ओनली 1 टेक्निक इज इन योर सिलेबस. Only M1 is included in your syllabus and M2, M3, M4 is not included in your syllabus according to CBSE latest syllabus. Now students, it becomes necessary to explanation of M1 measures of money supply. What do you mean by M1 measures of money supply? M1 measurement of money supply include the following component. It means it is the formula by which you can learn easily M1 equal to C plus DD plus OD. M1 equal to C plus DD plus OD. Once again learn it. You should understand then learn it. C equal to currency held by the public including coins as well as paper notes. All the currency and coins held with the public are known as currency held by the public indicates by the C, which include in the M1 measurements. DD, demand deposit of the people with the commercial bank. These are checkable deposits. It means people या लोगों का वो जमा धन जिसके लिए वो जब चाहें चेक से डिमांड करके निकाल सकते हैं, कैश ले सकते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रांसफ़र कर सकते हैं, उसको भी इसमें शामिल किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट इज़ OD, other deposit. It includes following 3 things. Demand deposit with RBI of public financial institution like NABARD and SIDBI, etc. Now students, what is the full form of NABARD? You should understand. I have already told in my previous videos. NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Students, when was NABARD established? NABARD was established in 12 July 1982. Since then, it is working for the welfare of the society. When money is allotted, when government allotted money for any rural activity, then it go through NABARD. It means it passes by NABARD to the other commercial bank in rural areas. Next, demand deposit of foreign central bank and foreign government with RBI. It means all the demand deposit with RBI which is deposited from the foreign central bank or foreign government. Next one is demand deposit of international financial institution. What are these international financial institution? Like IMF, World Bank, World Trade, WTO, World Trade Organization, etc. तो ये इंटरनेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन के जो पैसे इंडिया में डिपॉजिट है वो भी डिमांड ऑफ मनी सप्लाई में इंक्लूड किए जाएंगे. C+D+OD, you have to learn it. Thank you.